Technology is amazing. It's all around us, making our lives easier and more exciting. Do you remember when we used to have giant phones with cords? Now we carry tiny computers in our pockets. Technology changes so fast it's hard to keep up. One of the coolest and very important things about technology is how it's changing the way we make things. From cars to clothes, industries are using technology to work smarter, not harder. This means we can make things faster, cheaper, and better than ever before. But it's not just about making things. It's about moving them too. Think about how easy it is to order something online and have it delivered to your door. That's technology in action. We're living in a time of incredible technological advancement. It's an exciting time to be alive. Let's dive in and explore how technology is revolutionizing the world around us. Remember the days of big, noisy factories? Technology is changing all that. Robots are now doing jobs that used to be dangerous or difficult for humans. They can work faster and more accurately. That means fewer mistakes and more products. These smart factories are connected to computers that monitor everything. They can adjust the temperature, the speed of the machines, and even order more materials. It's like having a super smart assistant managing the whole factory. This technology isn't just for big companies. 3D printers let small businesses and even individuals create their own products. You can design something on your computer and print it out in your own home. Technology is making manufacturing more efficient and accessible than ever before. It's empowering creators and businesses of all sizes. Have you ever wondered how we make plastics or medicine? It all involves processing materials, and technology is making it more efficient and environmentally friendly. Scientists are now using computers to design new materials with amazing properties. These materials can be stronger, lighter, or more heat resistant. We can use them to build everything from airplanes to artificial organs. Technology is also helping us reduce waste and pollution. New chemical processes can break down different harmful substances and recycle valuable materials. This is super important for protecting our planet. From developing life-saving medicines to creating sustainable materials, technology is revolutionizing the way we process and use the world around us. Moving things faster. Getting things from point A to point B has never been easier, thanks to technology. Logistics companies use GPS and tracking systems to monitor shipments in real time. This helps them optimize routes and reduce delivery times. Self-driving trucks are already being tested on our roads. These vehicles can drive for longer periods and are less likely to be involved in accidents. Imagine a future where your packages are delivered by robots. Even the way we travel is changing. Electric cars are becoming more affordable and efficient. High-speed trains can whisk you between cities in a flash. Technology is making transportation faster, safer, and more sustainable. These advancements are connecting people and businesses across the globe, facilitating trade, and making the world a smaller place. So, talking on a global scale, remember when the internet was just for sending emails? Now we use it for everything. In the industrial world, the internet connects machines, devices, and people. This is called the Internet of Things, or IoT. Factories use the IoT to collect data from sensors on machines. This data helps them identify problems before they occur, schedule maintenance, and improve efficiency. It's like giving machines a voice. 5G, the latest generation of wireless technology, is making the IoT even more powerful. With 5G, we can connect even more devices and transmit data faster than ever before. This will enable even more innovation in industries around the world. From smart factories to self-driving cars, technology is transforming the way we